Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen on behalf of Expert Village. In this series, we're learning all about fall blooming flower bulbs. And if we're talking about fall blooming bulbs, we cannot forget canna lilies. And my favorite canna lily of all is called Durban. It's just a gorgeous canna lily that has orange and green stripes. So it looks very tropical and very vibrant in your garden. Durban is a gorgeous canna lily that likes full hot sun and good drainage. It can get 8 feet tall with huge, beautiful orange blooms on it. And the bulbs are basically a tuber, so there's really no up and down. The growth comes out of the ends. See how there's these little points on it? So when I plant them, I just try to plant them sideways, either up or down, so that the points are facing outside. And I plant them a good 3-4 inches deep in full hot sun, and where they have lots of room to grow because they do multiply quickly. Within 5 to 10 years, you'll have a huge clump of them. And I love them because they bloom through fall. Really, until our first freezes, I have blooms on them. There's been years where I've had blooms at Thanksgiving. Canna Durban are a large canna that just adds a lot of tropical splash to your yard. In the next segment, we'll talk about Canna Pretoria.